Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change the screen colors in your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first you have to open settings and here scroll down to the display. Scroll down to the screen mode and here you can manage the temperature at first or tap natural to change the color. As you can see, we have a slight difference. Now we can tap advanced settings and here using this sliders we can manage more settings about our screen colors. We can give it more bluish, more vividness, more greenish vibe as you can see, etc. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like on this video. It's very important to us. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.